trauma is good for you. Wait, what? I'm confused. While it is true that experiencing trauma can be difficult and painful at times, it's not accurate to say that trauma is inherently good or bad for you. Trauma can have long lasting negative effects on a person's physical, emotional, and mental well being, including symptoms such as anxiety, depression, and PTSD. I live with PTSD, and let me tell you, it's far from pleasant. But at the Themightymiracleman rehab and training, we can help you navigate PTSD. However, it is important to know that some individuals may actually be able to draw positive outcomes from traumatic experiences. This phenomenon is sometimes referred to as post-traumatic growth, which describes the process of experiencing positive changes in one's life as a result of a traumatic event. For example, some individuals, like myself, may develop a greater sense of resilience, compassion, and appreciation for life when you're staring at your inevitable doom. You take pity on people, or not really pity, but you have more compassion. Others may use their experience to help others who have been through similar situations, or to advocate for change in the communities, which is exactly what I'm doing with the Themightymiracleman rehab training, and the reason I started it. It's important to emphasize, however, that post-traumatic growth is not guaranteed outcome of trauma, and it's not a substitute for the support and treatment that individuals probably need to recover from their traumatic experiences. I've been through vast amounts of counseling, and at the Themightymiracleman, we can provide that support or refer you to someone who can better serve you and help you out. Every individual's response to trauma is unique, and while some may experience growth, others may require extensive support and therapy to manage the negative effects of that trauma. And the Themightymiracleman, we can help you find someone to help you navigate that if we aren't qualified to do that. But after everything I've been through and the people on my team have been through, we should be able to, although we're not licensed, we have a lot of knowledge